Alright guys, I wanted to go over two things with you before you started today. The first thing is where we are putting our colors here on our silhouette landscape. We want our lightest colors to be in the back, and we want our colors to gradually get darker as we move to the thing in the foreground, which is our silhouette. That's going to end up being black. So our lightest color is going to be white, and we want our sun or moon to be white. And as we move forward, we're going to get slightly darker. The next closest thing here is the sky, and that is going to be the lightest version of our color. The sun is white, the sky is the lightest version of our color. As we move down, it also looks like we're moving closer, and this color is going to be a little bit darker than the one before. If we move down again, this level here is going to be a darker color than the previous level. And then down here, this bottom layer that includes my silhouette is going to be our darkest color, which is black. Now, how do we mix those colors? All right, if we're going to do it right without wasting a ton of paint, here's how you do it. The first thing I would do is use this white straight out of the bottle for my sun or moon. After that, I need my lightest version, and all I'm going to do is take a small amount of my color. I chose blue for this painting, and I'm going to mix that into all of my white, just a small amount of blue. All right, and you can see that is changing the white pretty easily. Now I already have a nice light blue color here. I would use this once it gets mixed all the way together in this area, my lightest color area right here. Once that's complete, I need a darker version of the color down here. Now I'm going to use this light blue I already have. I'm just going to take a little scoop, small amount, about half a brush dip in my blue to add to my lighter version, and I'm going to mix that in until I can see that it is a darker version. And I can look at the edge of my palette here. I can still see my light blue I had before, and I can tell that this is a darker shade, and I hardly had to add any to it. So I would use this to paint my second level down here. Once that was done, I do the same thing, scoop some more blue and mix it in there until I could tell that it was a darker shade. Just like that. Use it on my third level. Now if you have enough levels or you change your color too much, you may have to make a darker version of your blue, and you're going to do that with the black and the white, or the black and your color. Instead of adding your color to the black, this time what we're going to do is add a little bit of the black to the blue. Alright, this has to do with the strength of colors. The blue is much stronger than the white, so we're adding small amounts of blue to the white. The black is stronger than the blue, so we're going to add small amounts of black into our blue to turn it into a darker blue. I'm not sure this is going to show up on the camera or not. Alright, if you try to do it the other way, you're going to keep adding more and more and more paint, and it's going to end up being wasted, and I don't want that to happen to you or to my art materials for my other classes. So do your best today. If any of that was too fast, just go back and rewatch the video, and I can't wait to see what you accomplish today in art class. I'll see you soon.